This enticing dish is perfect for someone who has just returned from the gym. First, we slice the chicken breast diagonally like a chessboard. Then, we add lemon juice, salt, black pepper powder, ground coriander powder, and paprika, and marinate for 1 hour in the refrigerator. For the vegetables, pour some water into a pan and add sliced carrots, chopped broccoli, sliced mushrooms, and a few slices of colorful bell pepper. Add balsamic vinegar, curry powder, and garlic powder, cover the pan, and let it cook over low heat until the vegetables become tender and the water evaporates. In another pan, pour some olive oil and place the chicken breast. Cover the pan and cook over very low heat until both sides of the chicken are browned. Then, serve boiled rice, sliced chicken breast, and vegetables on a plate. Enjoy your meal.